Your check engine light just came on, and the dealership wants $200 just to tell you what's wrong. What if I told you that for less than the cost of that diagnostic fee, you could have your own professional-grade tool, one that not only reads codes, but can actually fix problems and save you thousands in the long run? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best OBD2 scanners you can grab on Amazon right now, perfect for Christmas gifting or treating yourself. So let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro scanner. This is the 2025 model, and Autel has seriously upgraded the game with German-engineered Bluetooth technology. We're talking 40% faster data transfer and 33 feet of wireless range. What really sets this apart is the bidirectional control with over 3,000 active tests. That means you're not just reading what's wrong. You can actually command your car's systems to test components, like fuel pumps, cooling fans, ABS modules, and even cycle your windows or sunroof to diagnose issues. And here's something mechanics will love. It works with the Autel PT506 battery tester for 98% accurate cranking and charging system analysis. Now, the reality check. This scanner typically runs around $350 to $400, which puts it in the professional category. If you're just a casual car owner who wants to read codes once in a while, this is probably overkill. But if you're serious about working on your own cars, do side work, or you're building a career in automotive, this is absolutely worth the investment. You're getting dealership-level diagnostics for a fraction of what shops charge for a single visit. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Coming in at number 2 is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool. And here's what makes it special. It's the perfect middle ground between basic code readers and expensive professional tools. The BlueDriver connects to your iPhone or Android via Bluetooth, and the app is genuinely impressive. It reads over 7,000 engine codes, but it also goes beyond basic OBD2 and can access manufacturer-specific codes for ABS, airbag systems, SRS, and TPMS. You can view live data, create custom graphs and gauges, and even export the data if you want to analyze it later or share it with a mechanic. And there's 0 subscription fees. You pay once, and you own it forever with free app updates. The biggest advantage here is the price-to-feature ratio. You're looking at around $100 to $120, which is reasonable for what you're getting. For most DIYers, though, that's perfectly fine. This scanner will tell you exactly what's wrong and help you fix it yourself, or at least let you walk into a shop knowing what needs to be done so you don't get ripped off. Links are down in the description. At number 3, we've got the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool. And this one's special because it hits that sweet spot for serious DIYers who want professional features without going full pro-level pricing. This is a dedicated handheld scanner with a color screen, and it comes with free lifetime updates. Let me repeat that. Lifetime updates with no subscription. That's huge, because as new cars come out, you're not stuck with outdated software. Innova is a trusted US-based company, and they back this with ASE-certified support available Monday through Friday if you run into issues. One really clever feature is the LED-lit cable. The cable housing is clear plastic with built-in LEDs, so when you plug it in under the dash in a dark garage, you can actually see what you're doing. Little touches like that show they thought about real-world use. Price-wise, you're looking at around $200 to $250, which positions it between the phone-based scanners and the high-end professional tablets. The display isn't as large as the Autel tablets, and the interface isn't as modern since it's not Android-based, but it's rock-solid and reliable. But for most American, Japanese, and Korean cars, this thing is fantastic. It's especially good if you maintain your own vehicles and want to do things like reset the maintenance light after oil changes or bleed your ABS after brake work. Full link is in the description. Number 4 is another Autel MK808 scanner. And yes, it's similar to the MK808BT Pro we talked about. But hear me out on the differences because this might actually be the better choice for some of you. This is the wired version with the same 7-inch touchscreen, same Android 11 operating system, same quad-core processor. You get the full bidirectional diagnostics with active testing on all vehicle subsystems, the same 28 service functions, and support for 150 brands worldwide. It handles the newer security protocols like FCA Authorize for accessing Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles with secure gateways. After the first year, updates are available, but optional depending on your needs. One really clever feature that pros really appreciate is the ability to generate and print professional diagnostic reports, which is perfect if you're doing side work and need to document findings for customers. So why would you choose this over the BT Pro model? Simple: price and reliability. This typically runs about $100 less, coming in around $250 to $300. But for shop use, though, this really isn't a problem. You just set up your work area accordingly. This is ideal if you want professional-grade capabilities, but don't necessarily need the wireless convenience. If you're working in a home garage and price is a concern, this gives you 95% of the functionality at a lower cost. Check the description for the latest deals. And finally, at number 5, we have the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner. And this is Amazon's best-selling OBD2 scanner, and even Scotty Kilmer recommends it. Here's why it deserves a spot on this list, despite being the most basic option. For about $24, you get a simple, no-nonsense code reader that just works. It reads and clears engine codes in seconds, supports all OBD2 protocols, and powers directly from your car's diagnostic port, so there's no batteries to charge or replace. It's tiny, weighing only 12 ounces with a 2.5-foot cable, and you can literally throw it in your glove box and forget about it until you need it. This scanner does one job, and does it well. It tells you why your check engine light is on. It won't access ABS or airbag systems, it won't do service resets, and it definitely won't do bidirectional testing. But as a first scanner, a backup tool, or something to keep in a family member's car, it's absolutely worth having. At this price point, it pays for itself the first time you use it instead of paying for a diagnostic. Link is in the description. Pick the scanner that matches what you're actually going to do with it. Don't overspend on features you'll never use, but don't cheap out on capability you need. All links are down below, and I've checked them to make sure you're getting the best current prices. Thanks for watching.